Hey guys, it's Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome to my ProRider Central Texas YouTube channel. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Not another motorcycle guy. Believe me, I get it. I know that there are numerous YouTube channels that give advice and tips on how to ride motorcycles. But let me say that I have a passion for training to be the best rider I can be, both mentally and physically. And I want to pass on as much information as I can to my fellow riders. Now, we all know that words cannot describe that feeling that we get when we're riding our motorcycles, but we also know the dangers that come with it. So now that you know a little bit about where I stand, let me tell you a little about myself. I am currently a motorcycle sergeant in the state of Texas, hook 'em horns. I'm also a rider coach for the Motorcycle Safety Foundation, and I'm the co-owner and trainer at ProRider Central Texas. My videos will cover various tips and techniques that will improve both your riding skills and your mental approach to riding. And you will learn some of the same techniques taught to motor officers across the country. I will also give tips and drills to both new and experienced riders, along with riding drills that you can practice to improve your skills, and much, much more. No matter how long you've been riding, these tips and drills will surely help sharpen your skills. And now, as I have mentioned before, I am a firm believer that your mental approach to riding is just as important as your physical skills. Because if you don't know what you're looking for when you're riding, you may never get a chance to use those skills you've been practicing to avoid that crash. So I will also cover defensive riding strategies that will assist you with crash avoidance. My goal is to post a video every 2 weeks, so hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. If you're ready to take your riding to the next level, then you're in the right place. So until next time, ride safe.